Hi, Assalamualaikum. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. So today we will proceed with the chapter 5, control valve. There are three subtopics, directional control valve, pressure control valve, and flow control valve. Okay, for the control valve, it is used to produce the type of the motion or level of force, type of motions or level of force needed to complete the functions expected of the hydraulic system. Okay, there are three different categories. First is the directional control valve, or we call it DCV, pressure control valve, and flow control valve. Directional control valve is used to provide directional control over the flow fluid. It means kalau awak nak control the direction of the flow, you will use the directional control valve. There are four general classification. First is the check valve, two-way valve, three-way valve, and four-way valve. For the shut-off or two-way valve, it used to block the fluid flow through a hydraulic system. Okay, as you can see here, they block the flow. Okay, kalau awak nak flow, you need to open this one, and then baru ada flow. Example dia adalah globe and needle valve. For the check valve, used to allow the free flow in one direction while preventing the reverse flow. So dekat sini, okay, free flow in this direction, okay, sebab the compressed fluid akan tolak this one, okay, the spring will retract and then akan ada flow masuk. Okay, this one dia akan block the flow. Okay, three-way valve is used to extend the actuator and used for the single acting cylinder. Okay, the operation for the three-way valve. Okay, during the extension, the three-way valve connect the actuator inlet line to the system supply. So, bila dia connect from the pump flow dengan actuator, dia akan extend. Untuk retract, okay, dia akan guna external force. Okay, for the four-way valve, means to power the actuators in either direction. Okay, for example, in the two-position valve, this is the two-position valve. Okay, like this. Okay, the two-position valve. Okay, the first position, the cylinder will extend, and the second position, the cylinder will retract. Okay, this is the two positions. Okay, for the three-position valve, dia akan tambah lagi satu center position. This is the ni sama. This one, this position, the cylinder akan extend. Okay, this position, cylinder akan retract. This is the center position. Center position tak ada apa-apa operation. Selalunya kita akan refer sebagai ni A. A ni, that means the cylinder akan extend. B, okay, B for this one. Bila dia masuk kat sini, the cylinder akan retract. This one from the pump, this one akan back kepada reservoir ataupun tank. Okay, the activation method for the DCV. Okay, first is the mechanical operated. Used when the opening and the closing of the valve must occur at the specific position in the actuator travel. Okay, so this mechanical operated. Contohnya adalah push button. Okay, push button operated, roller operated, lever operated, semua itu adalah mechanical operated. Okay, this one adalah the example of the 4-3 spring offset push button DCV. Okay, so 4 ni stand for the port. Ports, ada 4 port. A, B, P and C. So ada 4 port, 4. Okay, slash dengan 3. 3 is for the position. 1, 2, 3. Kalau ada 2 position, that means 4, 2. Okay. Spring offset is for this one. Spring offset, bila ada sebelah sahaja spring, we call it spring offset. Bila spring ada 2 belah, we call it spring centered. Spring centered. Okay. And then push button is the activation method. So dia gunakan push button. Kalau kat sini lever operated, that means lever operated. DCV. Okay, directional control valve. Okay, this is the circuit containing mechanically actuated directional control valve. So the operation of the circuit is bila awak activate, okay, sini ada A, okay, A untuk extend, B ni untuk retract. Sini daripada pump, sini return back kepada tank. So bila awak activate the DCV, dia akan shift ke this position. Okay, so bila dia shift to this position, dia akan flow melalui P masuk ke A. So dia akan flow. Okay, this one dia tak boleh lalu sebab dia block. Okay, so dia akan lalu melalui the two-way and also the needle valve. Okay, dia akan lalu. So dia masuk dalam cylinder and then cylinder will extend. Okay, so the cylinder will extend, cylinder will touch this roller. Okay, this roller DCV. Bila dia touch the roller, this DCV akan activate and then they shift to this position. They shift this position. That means the flow will cut. Okay. Okay, next, bila dia dah fully extend, kita nak retract. Bila you nak retract the cylinder, you need to shift to this position. Okay, so the flow from the P, okay, dia akan masuk dekat B. Okay, B lalu ke sini and then the cylinder will retract. Okay, the cylinder will retract and then the fluid dalam ni akan flow masuk dalam P, tank. Okay, simple je ni. Okay, next, the second activation method is the pilot operated. Pilot operated dia menggunakan air pressure to activate the valve rather than physical level. Mechanical tadi adalah physical level. Okay, level. Okay, this is the symbol of the pilot operated. Okay, so this one adalah ada 1, 2, 3, so 3 port. Okay, 1, 2, 2 position. Okay, this one adalah satu side of the spring, maknanya spring offset. Okay, pilot operated PCV. Okay, next is the solenoid operated. Okay, this is the common in the many type of the equipment. Selalunya kita akan menggunakan solenoid. Sebab apa? Sebab dia akan produce extreme accuracy and repeatability. Okay, this is the symbol of the solenoid operated. Okay, this one is the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 port, 2 positions. Okay, spring offset. Okay, and solenoid operated DCV. Okay, next is the shuttle valve. Shuttle valve is the provide the operations either two quick power sources. That means kalau mana the line dia yang provide the high pressure, the flow akan lalu ke situ. Okay, let's say this one, this line has the high pressure, the flow will go this, we flow through this one. Okay, and then sini akan block. Kalau the pressure tinggi kat sini yang akan lalu, kat sini yang akan block. Okay, either operation or operation, salah satu. Next, we proceed with the pressure control valve. Pressure control valve used to protect the system from damage due to excessive pressure. And second is for the sequence motions and the limit pressure in the selected section of the circuit. Okay, there are 4 groups. First is the pressure relief valve, sequence valve, pressure cut-off valve, and the pressure reducing valve. Okay, for the pressure relief valve, actually semua sistem akan menggunakan pressure relief valve. Okay, sebab dia menggunakan pressure relief valve is to protect the system from the pressure overload and also called the safety valve. Pressure relief valve are normally the closed valve. This is the symbol for the closed valve. Kalau open valve, that means dia bersambung terus macam ni. This is the open valve. So dia close valve sebab bila dia detect the high pressure baru dia akan open untuk release the pressure. Next is the sequence valve. Pressure sequence valve is used to sequencing of 2 or more actuators in the hydraulic circuit. Okay, this is the symbol of the sequence valve. Sequence valve of juga close valve. Bila dia detect the high pressure baru dibuka. Okay, this is the hydraulic circuit containing the pressure relief and the sequence valve. This is the relief valve, and then yang ni adalah sequence valve. Yang ni adalah the check valve. So the operation is bila awak activate the DCV, okay, activate to this position, okay. Daripada pump, okay, dia akan flow masuk ke A macam tadi lah. Okay, A. So dia akan flow through here. Kalau masuk sini dia tak lalu sebab dia still lagi close. The pressure tak tinggi, so dia tak akan buka. Kat sini dia memang block. So dia hanya akan flow kat sini. So bila dia flow kat sini, cylinder 1 akan extend. Okay. So bila dia fully extend, the line ni, the pressure dia akan tinggi. Sebab dia dah fully extend, dia dah stop, tapi fluid oil still lagi supply. So dia akan menyebabkan this one adalah line dia high pressure. Bila dia high pressure, this one sequence valve ni akan detect, baru dia akan open. So dia open, dia flow masuk ke silinder 2 dan silinder 2 akan extend. Okay. Silinder 2 akan extend dan yang ini akan keluar masuk dalam tank. Okay. So dah complete untuk extend operation. Untuk retract operation, awak kena shift the DCV into these positions. Okay, so bila shift to that positions, okay, dia akan flow masuk this one. Okay, shift this positions. That means for the pump, dia akan masuk ke sini. It means this line. Okay, this line. So, ni pun sama. This one tak lalu, dia block. Sini. Kat sini pun dia still close. So, tak lalu. So, dia akan masuk dalam silinder 2. So, silinder 2 akan retract. Okay. Bila this one fully retract, this line akan produce the high pressure. Barulah sequence valve 2 ni akan buka. So, dia akan lalu masuk dalam silinder 1. Silinder 1 akan retract. Okay, so complete the operations. Okay, this is the pressure cut-off valve. There are 2 types, unloading and counterbalance valve. Okay, you can see here the symbol. Okay, for the pressure reducing valve, used to keep a certain part of the hydraulic system at the lower pressure. Okay, they are the open valve. Okay. Next is the flow control valve, used to regulate the speed of hydraulic cylinder and motors by controlling the flow rate. Kalau awak nak flow the speed of the cylinder or motor, we can use the flow control valve. Okay, there are 2 basic types. Okay, non-pressure compensated dengan pressure compensated valve. Okay, you can see here and the symbol. Okay, that's all for the chapter 5, and then you can proceed with the tutorial questions. Okay, maybe you can answer all the questions. Okay, and then as usual, upload in the playlist. Okay, thank you. That's all from me. Thank you.